Man, I tell you what, this meatloaf-flavored vape is absolutely fucking bussin'. No cap.
Oh dear, Goddard. It appears that I have misplaced my experimental canister of fentanyl-laced nitrous oxide. Wherever could it have possibly gone? Oh my skibbity. This is not a very Sigma situation.
Bonjour and
Hey, Mike, you want to watch one lunatic one ice pick with me? And there goes.
Hi, Patrick.
Hello, I like children.
Wicked.
Oh, I'm gonna get Glenn Quagmired again. Ow!
Stop right there! You're under arrest for stealing a Filipino boy from the Millionaire Sex Trafficking Club. I've done nothing wrong. He told me he was 11. Get back here, you fucking boy!
Captain's quarter.
In my defense, I thought we abided by Iran's age of consent here.
Hello, Mr.
Here's your stupid whippet back, liberal!
You're just jealous because you haven't taken the black pill yet, Mike.